How to change your number on Signal. So let's start. Open the app. Go here, click on the three dots. Click settings. And now choose account. Now go here, change phone number. And make sure your new number can receive, or new number or new phone can receive messages or calls. So click continue. And also just remember you can undo this change. So if you're gonna change it, it's forever. So continue. And now you just put here your old number. So my number on this application now is this one. And now I'm gonna add new number here. And if you click continue, it's gonna send you a message with the code. You will put this code here and you will change the number forever. And that's it. This is how can you change number on Signal in 2023. Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you one click later. Goodbye.